Hey everyone, what's up? Today we're going to create a swipe animation prototype for the Tasty Shakes website using Figma. And whether you're a design pro or just curious about building interactive animations, let's break it down and get into the details. So go ahead and launch Figma and click on Create, then Design File. You can press F on your keyboard, or you can click on the frame tool icon. And from the right panel, pick a preset like MacBook Pro 16 or your preferred size. Okay, great. Let's scale this down a little bit. Let's see. Let's zoom out. That's perfect. This over here. Great. Over here in the Layers panel, double-click the frame's name and update it to Screen 1. And we're going to call this Strawberry Shake. You can come over here to the rectangle icon and select Ellipse. And what you want to do is you want to draw a circle that completely covers your frame. And this is your canvas background. So let's do that. Once you've completely covered the frame, go to the Fill section on the right and choose Gradient. Set it to Radial, and then dial in colors that evoke a fresh, vibrant strawberry shake vibe. This. Okay. Let's leave it there. Now press R for the rectangle tool, or just go to the icon and click on rectangle. And then draw out a rectangle where your shake image will appear. So let's do that here. This. Let's make sure that it's centered. There we go. Go to the Fill section and click the image icon and upload your strawberry shake image. There you have it. All right, great. Let's close this. All right, now let's insert a text label. And to do that, you go ahead and select the text tool, or you can press T on your keyboard. And let's put it right over here. Like this. Let's type in, strawberry shake. All right, let's change the font size for this. Let's go down here to the right. Let's see, 48. Let's use 96. And then let's change the font. Like, yeah, let's try this one. And then, I can't bold it. Okay. Center this. Great. Let's move this way. And then, there we go. Next, if you'd like your text to seamlessly blend behind the image to offer it a clean, minimal, and effective look, then you can go over here to the Layers panel, locate your text layer, and drag it beneath the image layer. So just do this, and now your text is nicely set to the back. We want to select Screen 1, and you want to hold Alt and drag the frame to create a duplicate. So let's do this. There we go. We need to rename this duplicate. So we'll call this Screen 2, and change strawberry to, let's do chocolate. Okay. There we go. All right, if you like, you can also just switch screen 2 to the top and screen 1 the bottom. All right, so just click on the rectangle image and we're going to swap out our strawberry shake for the chocolate shake image, and we go to fill and let's go to upload. All right, let's click on chocolate shake. That's good enough. Great. All right, so before we continue, I see I have the name of the screens wrong, so let me just fix that quickly. So this one's supposed to be screen 2. Let's see. This is supposed to be screen 2. This is supposed to be your chocolate shake. And then this is supposed to be screen 1. And this is our strawberry shake. There we go. All right, now we're set. All right, now we can go ahead and change the background for our chocolate shake. And let's see, let's use a picker here. That. And then get a lighter shade for this. Let's see up here. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we'll leave it like that. All right, everything looks good so far. See. All right, so let's switch to a prototype mode. Go to screen 1 and then click on your interactive element, which is the strawberry shake. Find the circular node. And then what you want to do is drag this node over to screen 2 to create a connection. All right, there we go. Great. And then trigger, we'll use on drag and we'll leave these smart animate. And then let's try ease in and out back. And you could choose whichever one works best for you and the design that you're looking for. And we'll leave this at 300 ms. Great, let's close this. And for a reverse swipe, let's link back to screen 1. And we're going to click on the image. And we're going to link back to screen 1. Great, and we'll do undrag, smart animate. We can do ease out back. Let's do ease in and out. And then we'll change this to 600. Great. Close this. Let's change this to chocolate shake. Let's see if there's anything else we've missed. All right, I think that covers it. All right, let's click on the present button at the top right to launch the interactive preview. There we go. Awesome. All right, so if something feels off, you can return to your design view by clicking on title or whatever the title you have there and click on open in editor. And then you can fine tune the timing, transition, or layout until you are satisfied. There's so much that you can do. You just have to explore. All right, and that's it for today. You've just built a clean, interactive swipe animation for the Tasty Shakes website right in Figma. So go ahead and share your swipe animation prototype in the comments. Can't wait to see your creative spins on this. Thanks for watching and have an epic day.